to the Dogs of Science.
Woof, woof. We are so
Woof,
glad to
woof.
be back on Living Oklahoma. Now, here's the thing. I want everybody, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. What is that?
Air.
Air. Special kind of air, we call it oxygen. Breathe out. What's that?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, another kind of air. Now, here's a question. Does air have weight?
No.
Does it take up space?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, check this out, okay? Right here is a,
Balloon.
right there is a,
Balloon.
okay, if you blow up that balloon, what's gonna happen? Not yet. Nothing because you have a mask on. But if you blow up the balloon, what would happen?
It would get full of air.
Air, it would take up space. Not only does it take up space, it also has weight. Here, watch this. I got this thing over here. Now look at this. Okay. Now right here, I've got two balloons hanging on that board right there. Okay, you can see them right there.
Yeah.
Now, as soon as they settle down, what I want you to do, this is really cool. You're going to see how air moves. I want you to blow between them. But before you do that, what do you think will happen to the balloons when you blow between them?
You're just gonna.
They're going to go apart. Okay. Okay. Okay, they're going to go apart and then come back. All right. Okay, I'm going to stand over here, social distancing and all that. Go ahead and blow between them. They went together.
Why?
They didn't go apart, they went together.
Why?
Why did they go together? Because that air takes up space, and as it went through here, it pushed air along with it out of the way, and it created a low pressure system, or almost like a vacuum, and the balloons came together to fill that space.
Oh.
Now here's another thing.
So I was wrong again.
Here's another thing. Check this out. We talked about weight. Do
Yes.
balloons take up, does air take up weight? Let's get rid of this. We're going to put a balloon with no air in it. Okay, and we're gonna see if it's balanced. There, kind of balanced, right? Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to blow this balloon up, okay? Now you can see that it was balanced, and now it's not, because this balloon is sitting right here and it's off balance. Now here's the thing. Air does take up weight. Air does take up space. You're using air pressure to put more air inside the balloon. Now,
That's good.
that's good. Go ahead and tie it off like this. I'll hook it right here. Now remember, we weighed them before to see if they were balanced, and they were. We're gonna set it all the way out to the edge here, and we're gonna set it all the way out to the edge here. Look at that.
Wow.
Why? Because air actually takes up space, and because air actually has weight to it.
Wait, then how are you able to move through it, and how is it like not currently crushing us?
Oh, very good question. Because of air pressure. That's something we're going to have to get into next time, right here on the Dogs of
Watch
Science.
out.
That's a very good question. How can we move? It's all about air pressure. You want to know more? Check out our YouTube videos on Dogs of Science, or come by our Facebook page, or even invite us out. We'd love to come work with you. We are Dogs of Science
Woof woof.
from Mad Science OKC.